Hello and welcome to 3D Nato. My name is Nato, and in today's video I'll show you 5 easy methods to fill gaps between edge loops. The F key. This is the most basic way to fill faces in Blender. Here you have full control, but it takes more time and clicks to create. Just select 4 vertices and press F to create a new face. Now select one of these side edges and keep pressing F until all faces are created. Bridge edge loops. This one is a lot faster than the previous one. Select both loops, press Ctrl+E, and select Bridge edge loops. Notice that sometimes you'll get this problem where Blender connects the wrong vertices together. This problem is caused by different face orientations in the mesh, and I did it on purpose to show you how to fix. You can see here if we enable face orientation that these middle faces have different colors. These red faces tell us it is the inside part of the mesh, so to fix this, we just need to recalculate normals. Here I'm going to recalculate only the middle faces so they both match. And now if we do a bridge edge loops again, the gap is filled properly. Loop Tools Bridge. This one is an add-on, and it's very much like the bridge edge loops. Select both loops, right mouse, go to Loop Tools, and select Bridge. If Blender connects the wrong vertices together, just check this reverse checkbox here. The F key. This one is very fast to create if you don't aim to create quads. Here, like the first method, we're going to use the F key to fill the gaps. But if we select all and press F, it will not create a hole in the center. So what I like to do in this case is to select half and press F to create a new face. Now we just need to repeat on the other half. Alt+F and Limited Dissolve. This one is also very fast to create if you don't aim to create quads. As we saw in the previous example, we can just use the F key, so we're going to use Alt+F to fill the gaps. Select both loops and press Alt+F to fill. If you want, you can leave this way, but I prefer to clean this mesh. To clean this mesh and reduce the number of connecting edges, press X to delete and select Limited Dissolve. And these are 5 easy methods to fill gaps between edge loops. Tell me in the comments if you already knew them all and which one you use the most. If you're still here, it means you are liking the content of this channel. I really want to thank you for spending your time with me learning some basic Blender. I hope you have enjoyed as much as I have making it. So please, consider subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, and leave a comment. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.